guys, today we're gonna make a unicorn cake, and we're gonna need 3 eggs, and 1 cup of milk. Sorry guys, I don't think you can see the milk because I want to drop it. 1 cup of vanilla and caramel. And some flowers. This is a big cup of flour. And this sugar. No. And now, actually, and butter. And we're going to take this and this.
We put the flour here.
We're going to put the flour in there. Alright, Mom's going to help me.
And we check.
So guys, I mixed the eggs and butter, and I put the vanilla in the milk. And now I put the bowl again. Flour and sugar. Something I already explained. And now we're gonna pour this in. The butter and the eggs. Now we put this in. Now we're gonna put this in for milk. Smells good. Can I eat it a little bit? This looks so good. Smells good. I just feel like eating it right now in the bowl. And we mix it. Really good. We're gonna make a phone back. I'm gonna make the phone back. Like a Play-Doh. We have vanilla, coloring, vanilla pink, and we have cookies, and there's marshmallow, a little by little, we're gonna put sugar, flour sugar. Is this sweet? Oh, that's the one I mix it. That's the one I was so we mix it. Okay, now I need it together. Hey, Jen, you get this off my... No, do not make a mess. Yeah, you can get this off my hand, Frank. Like, help. Someone help me, like, as you. Oi. Oi, oi. Just use it like the flour. Clean on your hands. It's just like a slime. No, look like this. Please, do not make a mess. Oi, get it. No, come on. So you have to put it here, and then you have to like smooth it. Mommy's gonna fix it to make it the right shape that she needs it. It's like pancake. She's smoothing it.
Taking the parts, the extra parts.
She's getting the extra part away. So you can kind of see her face. I'm gonna make you see her face.
No.
I'm gonna put it back to the cake looking, and
Okay, good. Stop.
I'm gonna stop. Hello, Daddy. Look at the beautiful cake. Why does it smell good?
Like the...
I do a circle, and then I roll it, and then I flatten it down to make a flower. And then I take this to make some bumps. I need some. I need them. make it nice. Not that fat. And then I flatten it down. And then I take it and roll it.